On Home Chefs. This episode we have black pepper stir fry, inspired by New York Times cooking. This take on recipe improves on the sauce and heat. Enjoy. The way: 5 tablespoons of chicken stock, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3.5 tablespoons of black pepper sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You want to whisk until the cornstarch is dissolved. 1 bell pepper, thinly sliced, any color will do. You need 4 baby bok choy. Give the leaves a rough chop. For the marinade, we're going to use 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. You want to massage everything together. It's kind of messy. You may want to wear gloves. Set the meat aside and marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. You want to thinly slice 3 green onions. Heat up a large cast iron or stainless steel pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is ready, you want to add the meat. You want to develop a nice crust on each side. This takes about 2 minutes, 1 minute each side. After a minute, move the meat around to get it seared on the other side. In a different pan, you're going to cook the vegetables and sauce. In a saute pan, heat up 1 teaspoon of oil and add the peppers. Add the baby bok choy. Cook for about 1.5 minutes. Now add the steak, 1 tablespoon of green onions, followed by the sauce. You want to cook the sauce for about 1 minute. As the sauce cooks, it will be thickened by the cornstarch. Now it's time to add the stir fry to your favorite type of rice.